Minus 73 degrees. At this temperature, there is no mercy. In this cold, fire is not comfort. Fire is life. One mistake, and the night wins. The cold is not the only enemy. Hunger listens, fear watches, but this cat does not run. Before homes, before humans, cats survived winters like this. Instinct never dies. The night lasted forever, but the fire lasted longer.